E-Hemingway. If you want to own an electric folding bike that combines practicality, power, and speed, and travel on city streets and urban and rural greenways, it is your ideal choice. The E-Hemingway is a compact electric folding bike designed for adventure. Powered by a hub-drive motor, it delivers smooth acceleration up to 20 miles per hour. Built with Dahon's lightweight, strong aluminum F-frame, this bike is both tough and dynamic. With versatile multi-terrain tires, it easily handles both smooth roads and tough climbs. Get ready for a thrilling ride and a deeper connection to the outdoors. The frame and fork are designed with disc brakes for better performance. The fork's dropout angle is carefully adjusted to improve compatibility with the front hub, ensuring better stability and enhanced overall safety. Dahon's Dahon V technology further improves the rigidity of the entire bike and enhances the speed of all categories of bicycles. It has been featured in many leading international media outlets, including Forbes, Reuters, and PR Newswire, gaining widespread attention in the industry. Deltech. This innovative technology excels in safety, durability, and speed. It transforms the single-beam folding bike frame into a stable triangular structure, achieving the effect of a double-beam design. This reduces the load on the folding mechanism, increases load capacity, and significantly extends frame lifespan. Frame rigidity improves by 15%, effectively converting pedaling force into propulsion. The reinforcement system doesn't interfere with folding and integrates brake and gear cables for a clean and streamlined appearance. Super down tube. With a larger diameter, the down tube is flattened at both ends near the bottom bracket and main tube, significantly increasing coupling strength. Rigidity improves by more than 10% in both vertical and horizontal directions, enhancing pedaling efficiency and ease of riding. Combined with the Deltech system, the bike becomes safer and climbs more efficiently, even outperforming many road and mountain bikes in speed. BA hinge. The four-link structure ensures secure and reliable locking. The folding and unfolding process is simple, efficient, and quick. The hinge is made of forged aluminum, combining safety and aesthetics. Second-generation internal V handlepost. Made from forged aluminum with no welds, this column offers exceptional strength and durability. The square taper design increases rigidity, while the internal V-lock simplifies the structure and reduces weight. A newly designed safety hook automatically locks into place for easy and secure operation. The widened and hollowed clamp ensures a tighter and more stable lock, significantly improving rigidity and riding safety. Equipped with a 250-watt high-speed hub motor, delivering a maximum torque of 42 Nm, Dahon's e-bike ensures smooth, powerful performance. The mid-drive torque sensor assist system detects the rider's pedal force and cadence in real time, providing electric assist proportional to the rider's pedaling power for an effortless and responsive ride experience. The LCD display is adjustable to 5 assist levels, showing real-time data like speed, mileage, and battery level SOC. It also features a self-check function and boost mode. The display is user-friendly, with a clear design and intuitive controls for adjusting the 5 assist levels. The bike comes with a Dahon exclusive seat post battery, featuring patented safety structures and over 10 safety protection measures for reliable use. Powered by high-capacity lithium cells from EVE, the bike offers 3 battery options: 36 volts, 5.0 amp hours, 7.5 amp hours, and 10 amp hours. Depending on the battery capacity, the bike provides a range of 5D, 75, and 100 kilometers to meet the needs of different riders. The 7-speed drivetrain, custom designed by Dahon, offers smooth and precise shifting for a comfortable ride. Paired with a 53T chainring and a Shimano 7-speed freewheel, it delivers quick starts, powerful pedaling, and a smooth ride. Designed by Dahon, the wheels are smooth, durable, and capable of withstanding high tire pressure, providing stability and comfort even during sudden braking. The onboard charger, controller, and battery comply with the latest electrical safety standards, ensuring user safety. The hidden controller design is compact and modular, optimized for heat dissipation, and delivers an instantaneous power output of up to 400 watts, increasing power while reducing energy consumption. Folded dimensions. With over 40 years of history, Dahon's founder, Dr. Hahn, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. Dahon has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 Dahon folding technologies, embedding Dahon's DNA. Choosing Dahon means choosing trust and quality. With Dahon's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish, and refreshing new lifestyle.